I'm currently putting the finishing touches on my presentation for TravelCon in Memphis right now. And then I thought to myself, well, wait a minute, why don't I do an unpacking video before I get settled in? So here we go. Okay, my disclaimer is that I pack very differently for a conference than I do for a regular trip. And this particular trip was no exception. I literally just, the first event in 2 years, the first kind of like a first trip in 2 years. So I gotta say I'm a little bit rusty when it comes to my packing, but I want to show you a little bit more about the bags. So one of the things that I hate about hard side suitcases, is that when they have the mesh on the right side and not the left. Because technically it's like you close the suitcase that way. Yeah, sure you could do it the other way, right? But technically the stuff is kind of open up a suitcase that way, or maybe it's just me. But I love that this side is the mesh, so that way it doesn't fall all over the place when you do that. And I feel like usually most suitcases have it on this side. So already that's a big win. The mesh looks like it's a pretty nice durable material. The zippers are lightweight, very sleek. And then it has this little separator mesh insert here that kind of combined with the little compression straps kind of helps keep everything down. So that was really good. I didn't use any packing cubes for this trip, more so because of the hack that I'm going to show you about how I pack for conferences. So in the mesh panel, maybe it's for laundry, I don't know what this is for, but I just put my personal items in there, socks, undies, and bras. So opening it, let me show you the hack. This is a last minute addition that I threw in here because I decided to change my airport outfit. So on top, I put 2 jeans for the event, and I'll move the accessory, my 1 belt that I have. And these are all my outfits organized by the day that I plan to wear them. So you'll see, let's see how I wrap them very carefully so that way I could avoid having things wrinkle. It's actually kind of the reason why I packed them like this, is because it's essentially using the same concept as a garment bag. Because a garment bag, you have all your clothing on hangers, and then you have it folded so it avoids creases and wrinkles. I used to do that when I used to work for, in the fashion industry. So that's also what I do when I go to conferences. And voila, I'm all unpacked. So a lot more stuff than I normally would bring on, again, a regular trip. Sometimes 4-day trips are a lot more packing intensive, especially for business. So I have like my for tonight, tomorrow night, Sunday. I'm not sure what I'm wearing Saturday. One of these things. Hopefully there's something in there for Saturday. Maybe it's that black shirt in there. Anyway, and that was it. So easy. So that's my personal hack for conferences. And you saw how easy that was. So I'm still going to go ahead and either iron everything myself, or if they offer an iron service, I will probably use it just so I don't burn my clothing, because it is a conference. So I brought my 1 nice bag so I could look cool for the conference. I brought my toiletries. This is one of the toiletry bags that I was testing out. I did a live a video a couple months ago that I bought like 10 toiletry bags, and this was the smallest one that I could find because I brought shoes. I brought more shoes than I normally would have on a trip. So this is the most compact one. So I'm testing it out the first time I have this toiletry bag. And then I've got 3 pairs of shoes. Okay, don't judge me. I did not want to wake the baby, so I couldn't access my shoe bags. I couldn't get to my shoe bags when I packed last night. So I've got my 3 pairs of shoes. I've got my neutral tan heels, and for my outfits, and black ankle boots, and my beautiful special occasion heels that I have saved for my presentation. I'm only wearing my heels for the presentation, and I'm taking them off. But anyway, and then the shoes that I have on. So that's it. Kind of doesn't feel like a lot of stuff. And then I do have the Low & Sons OG personal item over here that I just brought my makeup, flat iron, laptop, and my purse, my other, like a smaller purse is in here. So nothing like makeup bag. So nothing like major is in there, so I'm not gonna go ahead and unpack that, but that's what I brought for the conference. It's 4 days, way more stuff than a normal trip, way things that I wouldn't pack normally, but got a chance to try out this away suitcase, which so far, oh, I have to say, if you hung out long enough to hear this last part, I was totally impressed by the space inside this carry-on. And I haven't checked the specs, but it was really spacious. I really didn't think that everything was going to fit, and I was surprised at how much actually fit into this suitcase. So I'm very impressed, and that was one of the things that people and like away fans always rave about, is just how much space is in this little bag. So far, I'm pretty impressed with it. So thank you for watching my unpacking video for a 4-day travel conference and my initial thoughts about the away carry-on bag.